Hi guys, in this video we're gonna show you how we've made this beautiful 10-foot long faux beam console. So we've started by gluing up the planks to make the top beam. Then we put together the legs. The whole piece is basically 3 full boxes made out of ash wood. The legs are 10 inches wide by 13 inches deep. And then this is how the box looks inside. Once we had the 3 faux beams glued up, it was time to attach the legs to the top. We did that with lots of Tite Bond III and Festool dominos. Since we didn't have clamps that were long enough, we've used straps until everything was dry. Now we're heading to the finishing process. We've started by sanding down any glue excess with an 80 grit sandpaper. Then we've filled up smaller holes with wood filler and the big ones with Bondo mixed with black paint. Then we've sanded everything down with 100 grit sandpaper and finalized it with a 120 grit. We finished this piece with a Precolor easy stain from Rubiomonocoat in intense black. Then after 24 hours, we just applied the oil plus 2C in black as well. And then now look at that sheen once we buff it out. And that's it. Now the last step is applying the maintenance oil the next day. And look at that piece, it's ready to go. This table can be used at an entryway, a hallway, or behind the couch, under the TV. We hope you all like it, and thanks for watching.